Welcome to this beginner's guide to Azure Synapse Ingestion from Event Hub. Azure Synapse is a powerful analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources, while Event Hub is a highly scalable event ingestion system. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of ingesting data from Event Hub into Azure Synapse. First, let's start with the key concepts. Azure Event Hub is a big data streaming platform that can handle millions of events per second. Azure Synapse, on the other hand, is a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. To ingest data from Event Hub into Synapse, you need to create a pipeline that connects the two services. To get started, navigate to the Azure portal and create a new Azure Synapse workspace. Once the workspace is created, navigate to the Manage section and click on Linked Services. Here, you can create a new link service to connect to your Event Hub. You will need to provide the Event Hub namespace, Event Hub name, and the shared access key. Next, create a new dataset that points to the Event Hub linked service. In the dataset settings, you can specify the Event Hub name, the consumer group, and the starting position of the events. You can choose to start from the beginning, or from a specific timestamp. Now, let's create a pipeline that ingests data from the Event Hub into Synapse. In the pipeline settings, you can specify the source dataset as the Event Hub dataset, and the sync dataset as a Synapse table. You can also specify the mapping of the Event Hub events to the Synapse table columns. Once the pipeline is created, you can trigger it manually or schedule it to run at regular intervals. The pipeline will then ingest the data from the Event Hub into the Synapse table, where you can analyze and visualize the data using various tools and services. Best practices for ingesting data from Event Hub into Synapse include monitoring the pipeline for errors and exceptions, and optimizing the pipeline performance for large volumes of data. You should also ensure that the Event Hub and Synapse services are properly secured and authenticated to prevent unauthorized access to your data. In conclusion, ingesting data from Event Hub into Azure Synapse is a straightforward process that requires creating a pipeline that connects the two services. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily integrate and analyze data from various sources using Azure Synapse and Event Hub. Remember to monitor and optimize your pipeline for best results, and ensure that your data is properly secured and authenticated.